illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a lionfish character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and we'll get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our lionfish illustration. The first thing that we want to do is draw the belly of our lionfish, which is just a curved line like this. That will serve as the underside of our fish. And we're going to create the front and then bring that all the way up to the top. We don't want to quite close this yet. We're going to add the tail on there. Now the tail almost looks like a sideways heart. So we'll come out and in like this for the first half of the heart, and then create the rest and bring it back there. All right, now we get to start having some fun with fins. All right, so we're going to start off by putting a series of details up here on the top. And this is what those lionfish are really famous for. Got all these great details. And then we'll end with a larger one here towards the tail. All right, we'll put one on the bottom. And we're going to start with the face next, and then we'll continue with our details. So we're going to do 2 eyes, 1 and 2. We'll put pupils in there. And a smile. And 2 eyebrows. All right, now we're going to continue making those same shapes here on the side. And we'll see a little bit of the ones from the other side poking out here. All right, now lionfish have a lot of stripes on them. So we're going to create a fun striped pattern all throughout the body of our character here. So you can start these stripes in between of our details up here, and we'll all probably have a different number of stripes and different placement for stripes. That is totally fine. This pattern will really become unique to your specific illustration, but that's also what makes it fun. So everyone's is going to look a little bit different in terms of how many of these stripes we can fit on the body of our fish. So you can see that I'm just creating these lines by coming in between and then coming all the way down to the bottom. So it's going to look a little confusing in black and white like this, but once we start adding some color, then it'll look a lot more organized. And we want those stripes to continue through the tail area here with a couple more. Lots and lots and lots of stripes. And we'll put some stripes down here on this fin. And then of course on this fin as well. And we can even put a stripe that goes through these details up here. And these as well. So lots of lines to play with here. So that's going to make the coloring part of this extremely fun. We can add a few bubbles out here just to make sure that it looks like our fish is swimming in the water. So add some circles throughout to make them look like little air bubbles that are dancing throughout the water area here. All right, illustrators, now we get to add some color. So go ahead and grab some crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. There we have our lionfish illustration. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job on your lionfish characters today, everybody. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.